Hi all, it's Ziv from Elementor. Today I'll show you how the dynamic user profile picture and dynamic number features can be used to create a personalized project overview page for clients to keep track of progress. In this example, a web design agency provides their clients with a user account that gives them access to follow their website's progress before launch. Each user has its own profile picture appear dynamically upon login, followed by a personal greeting. They can see the overall progress as well as the percentage completed per department, providing them with a clear overview of their website status. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, I'll create a new user account for the client. Fill in the details, and make sure to add a profile picture via Gravatar. Next, a login page, which will be sent to the client together with their login details. After logging in, they will be redirected to their own project overview page. So first, we need to create one. As you can see, I've pre-built this page, so we can focus on setting up the dynamic elements. Let's start with the dynamic user profile picture. In the left column, drag in an image widget and click Dynamic next to Choose Image. Under Author, select User Profile Picture. Okay, great. Now your client's profile picture in Gravatar will appear here dynamically once they log in. Next, the personal message. For this, I've used the heading widget. Next to Title, click Dynamic, and under Site, choose User Info. Enter its settings and set the field to first name. In the advanced drop-down settings, add your before and after text. You can add some fallback text as well, in case you forgot to add a first name when setting up your client's login. For overall progress, I've used the counter widget. This number is based on the progress of all of the departments combined. So let's set those up first. I've used progress bar widgets, each representing a department. In the progress bar settings, next to percentage, click Dynamic and choose ACF number field. Then click on the wrench to enter its settings. And as you can see, next to key, I've already created custom fields per department. You can see here, in ACF, that I've set each field type to number. I'll go ahead and link up the ACF fields with the corresponding departments accordingly. So now, when each department leader updates their progress, let's say on a daily basis, it will appear dynamically for the client to see. This can be achieved by having ACF import the data via a third-party plugin or custom code. The counter widget that shows the overall progress is also set to show a dynamic number via ACF and is updated automatically via a script that combines the progress per department. Cool. Now all that's left is to set the redirect after login to this page. So in the login page, under additional options, switch on the redirect and paste the URL. Let's see it in action. Awesome! Well, that's it. Now you know how the dynamic user profile picture and dynamic number features can be used to create your own advanced project overview page for your clients. Have fun playing around, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials. Ciao for now!